My sister got a new cat and she asked me, hey, can you make a cat bed out of an old suitcase? So I have an old suitcase here from my grandpa before, and in this video I will show you how to make a bed for the cat. So I will use this suitcase. It's the smallest one of the two. Here's the other one. I found some foam from an old mattress. That's what I will put inside. Then some fabric to make like a nice pillow, and a zipper so we can clean it later if you want to, and some wood to make some legs for the suitcase to elevate it a bit so it's not on the floor. Okay, let's start. First I remove the top since I don't need that. Then I get the measurements of the suitcase, transfer it to the foam, and will cut it into shape. The foam is fitting nicely. Now let's make the cover for it. I will do it on the sewing machine inside. Again, get the measurements and I cut it into pieces. Those are all the pieces and I will sew them together now. Like this, and now I sew together the outer part so the pillow is closed. I have turned the right side out and now I will fit the foam. So that's it for the little mattress. Now back to the workshop. Okay, now let's make the legs. 4 legs. I think this will be a nice height. So let's go there. Okay, they might need some cleaning, but those will be the legs. I have the feeling that my sister, her cat, will be a fat cat, so I will insert some plywood to make it a bit stronger. Then I will attach the legs like this. Screw, done. Easy. I found some old varnish and I will try to paint the legs. See if it's getting a bit darker. It's dry now and I think I'm happy with the result. The only thing left to do is fit the mattress and then bring it over to my sister's place to see if the cat will like it, this vintage style suitcase bed.